Introducing the Sliding Flex Lamp by UPLIFT Desk, a lighting solution that combines versatility with sleek design to enhance any workspace. The expansive 34-inch LED panel provides full desk illumination, ensuring every corner of your workspace is well lit. Up, down, left to right, the gooseneck and patented sliding head technology allows you to smoothly reposition the lamp to shine precisely where you need it, enhancing focus and reducing eye strain. The versatile adjustability also makes the Sliding Flex lamp a perfect lighting solution for video conferencing calls. Easily switch between 4 different color temperatures to suit any task, from warm ambient lighting to cool and calm daylight tones. Customize brightness with intuitive touch controls, adapting to any task or mood. The sturdy clamp-on mount easily secures the desks of various thicknesses, maximizing your workspace. The Sliding Flex lamp by UPLIFT Desk is designed not only for function, but also to elevate the look of your workspace with clean, contemporary lines. Discover the Sliding Flex lamp and more at UPLIFT Desk, where style meets superior functionality.